doing? Wait. Press away. How many blocks? Oh, that's give me the cord.
As many blocks as you want. That's long. It doesn't really matter, okay?
No, I have to do it the same as you. Then it will be weird. How many did you do? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14, okay.
And then 15, 16.
So I should do 16? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait, I forgot.
And then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. I need 16, right?
yeah, so see how that's like that?
Wait.
What you're going to do?
Wait. 13, 14, 15.
16.
Okay, and then you
Then
have to
you're
build on
gonna-
top?
Then, so see how there's that little go down? So add on to that top and then make
Why
one
use
from
stone or wood?
the stone.
It was like right on top of it?
Yeah.
Oops. Accidentally broken.
So see how there's like that and stuff? So you see how there's an undergo with it? That's how you're going to do it. Okay, Jeffrey?
Okay. No, just wait, Russell. I'm trying to do it, but then you keep going ahead. Not that fast. Because you build it, and then I build it, and then you keep going, like, farther ahead. It's plugged in. Carry on. Your dog unplugged my computer. He's a monster. Okay. Now what?
You're going to put... So you see that wood part?
Mm-hmm.
Put the stone across that wood part on the bottom.
Underneath?
Yeah.
Like here?
No, not underneath.
Like
on the side of the wood. Yeah.
So like here?
Yeah.
The other side too?
No.
So it looks like this. Is that right?
Yeah, and then just add 3 blocks. So it'd be like 3 stone blocks. So it would look like this.
Wait, I need flint and steel.
So add 2 other stone blocks.
Okay. Give me a sec. I have to burn down this tree. There's no way.
You know you can just explode it.
What?
You know you can just explode the top.
Well, I don't care. Burning is better. Besides, then I don't have to destroy it.
So just put 2 other long blocks that are the same.
What?
So
That's all. I'm working on something, so stop going ahead. Awesome. Okay.
So see how I put this? So see how I put this extra 2 blocks? Those extra 2 stone blocks.
I'm trying to fly. Game. See, I told you it's faster.
So I burned down a whole forest before. In like 2 days.
I have fun. In 2 like real life things.
Yeah.
Oh, I built burned one down in like 2 hours.
No, I burned down a forest.
Yeah, a whole forest in like 2 hours.
Half. But can I just know? It was like 10 Minecraft miles wide.
How long is a Minecraft mile?
I don't know. It was just like super long.
Real life miles aren't that far. And each block is apparently like a square foot. Okay, there. Is that right?
Yeah. I'm just adding those
Wait,
blocks.
so far it's like 3 blocks wide. Does it have to be 4?
No. So it's yeah, and then I'm just gonna do that.
Wait. Russell, I want to see something. Wait. Wait, Russell, I have to see something, so wait. Go back. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 2, 3. Wait. That's 4, Russell.
No, that's 3. See? 1, 2, 3.
No. Yeah, but then there's the other one there.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be under. But there's also supposed to be a block underneath.
So it's supposed
the
to.
boat.
I know. I'm confused. So I have to go like this another time.
Can I see that? Yeah, you have to go like that another time.
And then I just go on top. There, is that right?
Can you see that? Yes, but you gotta change. See that one part? You gotta change that into stone.
The ends.
Yeah, or I should just change that part into stone. Either way.
So I just destroy all this and put it stone.
Yeah.
Then why did you have me build it in wood in the first place?
I said there's actually not wood.
You didn't. Okay.
So see how that's in the front?
Mm.
You're not gonna use those parts underneath it now.
So I just build like directly across.
Do you want me to help you do that?
Oh, I get it. Okay. So it's like this.
Yeah.
Is that what it looks like?
And then put one right there. And then destroy that part. And then put a fluorine. And then go over to the back of the boat. And then so you see that part?
Mm-hmm.
Get
So I
it?
just block it.
Yeah. And then get the back part.
Right there?
No, that back part. Put the back
Here?
part. Yeah. And those 3 corners. Yeah, and those 3 parts, not the 3 corners. And then destroy that part.
So is this what it's supposed to look like?
Yep.
I don't need wood. It's not even in your wire.
Okay, so I just have to.
Wait, I'm gonna look at your items so I know which ones I need. I don't need water, but I would need a steps.
Yeah, you do need steps.
These.
Yeah, what you would do is you would put them. So you also do need TNT.
Why?
Also because it's shooting the TNT at the other boat. So it'd be like, so see how there's TNT right there?
How
You
many
cover
blocks
it-
from the front?
You would cover that with the
Wait, how many blocks from the front?
2.
1, 2, stair. Okay, I get it. Stairs go there.
And then there'd be
And there'd be another step right next to it there. Like, right.
no, put a TNT.
I know,
in
I'm
the
doing
middle.
the stairs
Yeah.
first. So like
Now,
that.
so you see this other stair? What you're gonna do is you're gonna get this, and then put the other stair right there.
What? So then I put a block next to there.
What,
What?
and then
I'm so confused.
you do that.
What? This doesn't make sense.
See how it's like that?
Oh, I get it.
And then that will go against another stone block. And then it just repeat that same pattern.
What? Oh, like all the way to the end.
Yeah. So you go all the way to those 2 other blocks. So can I show you what I mean? So now it's gonna go like that. TNT. Like that. And stone. Did you get that?
Okay. And now what? Because now there's not enough space. Oh yeah, this is right. Okay.
Yeah. And then you just do the same thing on the other side.
I'm just gonna do this the easy way. So not the faster way necessarily, but it definitely is easier. Let's do all these blocks across, and then I'll do all the TNT across. Now let's go upstairs. Just gotta, yeah.
Did you get that now?
So it goes like this.
Yeah. So see how it's like that?
Yeah.
Now what you do is you cover that with a stone.
All of these with stone.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't forget to mention, I'm showing my friend how to build an aircraft.
No, you're showing
carrier.
everybody. I'm just
Yeah.
while I'm recording. You're doing it on Pocket Edition because you think the controls are easier.
And he's just copying, and he's copying off me.
I'm just
So,
copying off it so then you guys can see it. So, he was like, Jeff, recording in Pocket Edition. I'm like, I can't do that. It won't work. This is only for Windows.
And it's
Awesome. Okay, finished. Oh, now I have to like make it like this too. Like,
see how it's like, yeah. And then you're just gonna.
so now I built them all these front walls up to the same height.
And then you're gonna put a little piece of glass.
Wait. Okay. Wait. Now don't move on yet. You can put the glass, but no.
Yeah.
What color glass?
Just a regular white. So.
I'll do.
No.
No,
that
this looks nice now. Fine, I'll do this.
doesn't make no sense. And then what you're also gonna do, so you see how that is? This is it's very tricky, but I hope it's not. See how it's like that? You should use an iron trapdoor.
Why?
Just puts you out better. That was a fail. I should just do that.
So on the front I have to put it?
Oh no, that's the back. Actually, you don't need to do that.
Well, I'm going to because it's easy. I'm going to do a wood trapdoor now. Wait, like this?
No.
Is that how it goes?
No, you can't connect, you can't make it cover the glass.
It's not covering the glass.
Well, it's supposed to.
Oh, yeah, you can't. Okay. So, now do I do that same thing up here?
Yeah.
Wait, how do I do it? I mean, I know I'm going to have to cover this part like that. Okay, and how do I do this front part?
So, see how I did it? See how I added one more part to those two blocks? Just do that.
So, like,
Yeah, and then just, yeah.
I got it, okay.
That's what you would do. That's wrong. Dude, that's wrong.
I know, I'm going to fix it.
Good.
And then I just build it one more up.
Yeah, like that. And then build the back part up. Yeah.
Don't they need a window in front more than they need it in back?
No, because the one, oh yeah.
Would it be like here?
The
Like
right there.
The whole ship? I figured it'd be like here. You mind if I put chairs?
Of course. It's up to you.
Make it nicer. There.
I know,
Okay.
that's what I am doing. I'm adding chairs in the back.
There it is, there's chairs. I'm gonna put some levers just for decoration. Like,
Yeah.
okay. Awesome.
Oh yeah, because she's night vision. Oh yeah, so you might hear me talking to him to make sure that he gets this right in the video. So yeah. He just wants to show you how to make this. Pause if you would like to.
Wait. Wait, do I put more chairs? Oh, okay. Got it. So each chair is like directly behind the TNT?
So put
So, like,
two.
here?
No, so put.
Wait, let me see.
See how there's two chairs facing that way in each row, and then those chairs are in just like the regular stone block in between those two stairs.
Wait, let me see. Stop moving around.
See how it's like that?
Wait, okay. Let me get this right. Oops. Did not get it right.
But this is what I'm
Boy.
doing. And then there should be stairs right there.
So it's like this?
It would be like, I messed up. Yeah, it would be like this.
Okay, got it.
What did the guy do?
Wait for me to finish.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put tables.
Should I like have the captain's thing like separate? Like have a little thing that makes it separate?
Yeah, you should.
I'm using an iron door.
And then put a ladder so that way he can just get up there.
No, I'm just gonna have an iron door. No.
Wait, and then can I go on that ship?
On mine.
Yeah. And you can go on mine.
I'm gonna have to. It's gonna all. The door's always gonna be open unless there's somebody inside there.
So someone knows to make like a ladder so that way like he can get out, you know?
No, there's a lever inside the room. But
And
then
then
when the captain leaves, the door stays open. Got it? Okay, so it's
But when he closes, then it'll trap him Oh yeah.
No,
that would make more
because the
sense.
lever's only on this side. Actually, no, I'm just gonna use some pressure point. It looks better if it's like supposed to be like a warship kind of thing. Okay, got it. Okay. Now what?
Oh yeah.
Woo, woo, woo. I should have made something like this, like sideways, and it could have been like a spaceship.
Wait to see how I'm doing this.
No.
Yeah, I know. So you actually have to do this.
Oh, I have to make better windows. Okay. I messed up the windows. Like a lot.
No, just do the front windows like that, and then leave the front window like
Yeah,
that.
these are the front windows. And make it like this.
And then put levers on the TNT, like put like buttons like near the. Wait, do you know how to make a TNT cannon?
No.
There you go. This should help you.
Why would I need a TNT cannon?
So that way you can actually shoot TNT. Do you want that or not?
I mean, I could, but I won't use it.
I mean, like.
Why don't we just like show them where it would go?
Why don't we just show them where it would go if they wanted to put it on?
Oh yeah, I agree.
And then we don't have to bother with it.
No, what the hell? We don't have to bother with it, to be honest. I read what you just said. So ready? Jeffrey, this is sort of the tricky part.
You said that already. You just build it higher.
I see build the back higher.
Wait. So not right. Just this last part here?
Yeah, you build the back part higher. So it'd be like this.
Is this right?
Like that. Oh no.
Wait, let me see it from the side. Got it. I've got to do this again.
Isn't this interesting?
Wait, stay with it from the side. Wait, I want you to see it again. Where's
I
where
know.
you go?
I'm just gonna fly like that.
How many blocks? 2, okay. 1, 2. 2. 2.
Can I see that? Yep, that's right.
Except the problem is mine's like floating.
Oh yeah, you can make it like stand up and then put like a steps into
I've
it
got an idea.
on like the top.
I'm gonna make it like rocket, so it makes sense that it's floating. And then it doesn't look as dumb.
Do you want to see why I'm doing this, Jeffrey? Jeffrey, do you want
Who's
to know?
here?
Jeffrey, do you want to know why I'm doing this?
No, I don't really care what you're doing here. Look at it, it's a rocket now. Wait, I have to make it glow. I need to put torches on it.
Yeah, I know what to make it look even better.
I don't really care. If you know how to make a most people are probably going to do it in the water, so don't add rockets. But I'm going to have rockets because mine, I don't have water. Look at this. Russell.
That is so cool. Okay, that is just like ridiculous in like the moonlight. That looks like a bathtub thing.
Oops, I almost did the wrong thing.
Here comes the most interesting part. So, here comes the most
So do I have
interesting
to do
part.
steps there?
Yeah.
Wait. I put steps there.
Here comes the most interesting part. And sort of hardest.
Wait. See it.
You gotta build the jets. Dude, you gotta build the jets. So I'll build the jets and mine is on water, and then what you'll do is
Oh, I need a slab.
No. Yeah, then put a slab right there.
Okay, got it.
See, I'm adding one more point to it. I'm gonna keep on doing that on each side.
Hmm?
So add 2 more parts of it to each side with the stone.
Like,
See how there's 2 off that part?
so like this? Oh,
See how
like
it's like
2.
that?
Okay.
2 parts off. And now add another one on this side. And it should work.
Do I do this on both sides?
What?
Do I do this on both sides? So I do this on both sides?
Yeah. So just do 3. So see how it's like this?
Yes, I know. I'm doing very. Besides, I have to fix the rockets. Because now it's longer, so. I'm not gonna need a crap door.
You know what you should do? Put a furnace. Yeah, so whatever you do, if it's on land, I mean, you can
I mean,
use
mine
the
is in the
rockets.
sky, but. Russell's is in the water, so
Yeah.
it's harder. The reason I'm doing mine in the air and didn't make like a pool of water, because then I could see the bottom of it better. Just gotta make it light up.
Hey, dude, add some redstone to yours, okay?
Why?
Because it'd make it be cool.
I'm not good at redstone.
And also, in the next video, we're going to be doing. Dude, that's wrong.
I know. It's lagging.
Oh.
I know.
No, no, when you want to do it, no, it's not 5 blocks like that. I mean, yours doesn't have to be actually like mine.
It's just, right now it's like exactly like yours. Almost, because you like you keep going ahead if you're explaining. Do I have to put like more of this brick stairs here? Okay.
No, you put slabs. Like that. So put 2
Well, I think
away.
the stairs look way better.
Okay. And I guess.
The stairs look like way better.
They should look like this. Wait, do you know how many kids were on the Titanic?
No. Not off the top of my head. Why would I? Why, do you know?
No.
There. Is it done yet? Russell, is it done yet?
No. You gotta make the jets.
But I made the jets.
Where are they? No, like the actual jets that like fly off of it. Remember, it's an aircraft carrier.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, yours can just be like a regular like ship.
Oh, I didn't do that part right, but it doesn't matter.
Don't you like my strategy? I mean, you can just go off and make it look different.
Well, I'll take a picture of what they're actually supposed to look like, since I did it wrong. I'm too lazy to fix it, so. Wait. Okay, got it.
Thanks. Yeah, and also at the tip of my stairs, there's gonna be slabs. Is regular like turkey?
Okay.
So I didn't slap it like that. Yes, so I have to build the actual jets.
I think this is good enough.
I'm going to.
I'm gonna build different jets, because I'm gonna build way easier jets.
No.
I'll
I mean, like,
I'll show you guys a picture of like the real ones at the end of this video.
okay.
So
Yeah, we're gonna. Wait, are we gonna show the real jets?
yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of yours. I'm just gonna make my own easy ones because I'm lazy. This is how to make real easy jets. And I just need some obsidian.
Dude, I mean like jets that fly. It's an aircraft carrier.
I know.
You know what I can do? I can make a jet like that. That's, I can like make like a propeller or something.
Wait, I don't need TNT now. I do need it for wool.
Who's coming over for Thanksgiving here?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, speaking of Thanksgiving, I can't wait to. Wait, what time is it?
I'm not wearing my watch.
What?
Not wearing my watch. I don't know.
What?
Look at my easy jet.
That looks horrible.
I know, but think
make
it
both
looks
balances.
nice. Well, you just make this on both sides. I mean, I'll do it, but I don't want to do it. Stop. I did this part wrong. Oops. This is the part that's supposed to be obsidian. I just messed up really bad.
How does the aircraft carrier look so far?
It looks dumb. I don't know why the rockets are like that.
There aren't any rockets.
It doesn't look good.
You know what? Wait, who blew a whistle? I just heard a whistle.
It's my dad's watching football downstairs.
Can it be annoying sometimes?
I guess. Oh, I just did this wrong. I don't. Stella and Haley have to come to
Yeah, absolutely.
Can they not come? If we say you're not going to be able to make it,
What?
then say they're not.
Alright.
There, I finished.
Oh, looks like that. Wait, can I see that? That's pretty cool. That's what you should do. But like redstone with it.
No, that's almost all good. I'm just going to have to do the roof now, and I'm going to make it look cool.
Good. Okay.
I'll show you a picture of what Russell made at the end.
Yeah, guys.
Because Russell's instructions were hard to follow.
Yes, very.
So I messed up really bad, and I gave up, so.
And he decided to make a rocket.
I mean, it works. Besides, this mine is like literally in the air. So, mine is literally an aircraft.
Hey, dude. I'm only gonna make like one jet on like this platform.
There, I finished.
Cool.
The only problem is there's not a way in.
She's doing good. She's actually making the whole dinner, so. Yeah, we're lucky she's cooking. Ooh, delicious. That's perfect. That sounds great. Sounds great. Season.
There, I finished. I'm just gonna circle around it quickly. See my creation. This is going on Russell's channel though, so I'm not gonna have it on mine because I could probably make a better one.
Do you think you'll like it?
Yeah. I think it looks kind of cool. And it's right next to Russell's bridge that I don't think ever ended up working. Oh, I know why it didn't work. Was it meant to suffocate them, Russell?
Yeah.
Because then it doesn't work. You have to have it like this.
We're ready to see jet number 1. Dude, how much of a fail does that look?
Very.
I know. But you'll see.
Look, I'm giving your character a spacesuit. A nicer spacesuit. A shinier spacesuit. Look at this. Russell, shinier pants.
Hey, how about now? Ready? We're gonna love this. And I mean it.
And now shinier boots. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I need redstone.
Let's see here.
Dude, how
That
about
works.
now? Whoa, how did you do that? And now can you hide all of that stuff?
I could try. Gonna make it work better.
So that's how you would technically make a trap like that.
I fixed it.
Can I see?
Some of this I can't really hide though. But, I mean, I kind of fit it. Look at this. Russell, now watch. Did not work this time.
Push a button.
Oh, I know why. I
Push a
messed up.
button, and then it will set off the thing, and then
There, I
you'll-
fixed it.
And
I
then
think.
you only have a time.
Yeah, I think I just fixed it. Yeah, I fixed it.
Oh yeah, now do that in survival.
Wait, first slash spawn point.
There's a spawn point in the middle. It doesn't work.
And that's suffocating me.
Maybe if we.
But I'm stuck. But I'm stuck.
Oh my god, that was so freaky.
Jeff, I need you to go get dressed, please, sometime.
Jeffrey, this is how it's supposed to look.
Alright, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna put it on the episode. Wait, no. Okay, go. Go around.
The back. The back of the jet. The front of the jet. The other side of the jet and the front. And I have not finished that chip. And the aircraft carrier is going to go against that ship. Can I see it? Yeah, is the video over? Oh yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. Bye.
No, don't end the episode. No.
Oh.
Because I'm gonna show the pictures, remember?
And we're going to be showing the pictures of my jet. I hope you like it. So, I know you can see this part of the video. We're just going on Firefox and we're going to show you my jet. Hopefully you like it. And
Hopefully
we'll
this works.
use it to build the aircraft carrier.
Gmail. I spelled it wrong, but I don't care. Mail.
Dude, that says nothing. You should wait. Oh yeah, so the people who are watching this, you should just wait for a little while. And my friend's going on this and doing this. But not like people who are watching this. He's gonna get photos of my jet and also of the pictures that he took of my ship. Thank you. Sorry about this, guys. Dude.
It's loading. The internet here's slow.
Yeah, the
Go put your
internet.
iPad back.
The internet is slow.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh my God, Russell. You can plug it back in. Sign in.
Guys, sorry for this hold up. Okay, we're good now. Dude, I have to make it.
No,
I have to make a
sign.
Google account.
No,
Listen
wait.
up, Cindy. When you leave, this is Lydia's, okay? Can you bring it back to Lydia when you go?
Yep.
Where's
Wait,
your mini iPad? Your mini?
It's charging.
It's right over here. I'm gonna set it right next to it so you don't forget it, okay, sweetie?
Wait, do you know what time it is?
It is noon.
Oh my God. It's so
Yeah,
slow.
can I have some lunch, please?
Well, now you know who
No,
Russell
sweetie,
subscribed to.
I don't want to give you lunch because we have a big dinner,
yeah.
and so you have to wait, okay?
I'm not gonna have lunch.
I don't know, you'll have to ask your daddy, but I don't want to feed you and get into
Yeah.
trouble because you're supposed to wait till Thanksgiving dinner, so. Jeffrey,
So
I need you to go upstairs and
No, it's
Yeah.
loading.
he's just getting Jeffrey, my friend, just getting some pictures uploaded on the internet. So I know this is taking a while.
The internet here is really bad.
Yeah.
Shut up, I don't care.
Shut up, internet.
Welcome to Gmail space.
Yeah.
No, here, this is.
Real pic. Jeff.
No, here's this.
So yeah. Hey, are you gonna make them bigger?
I hope.
He's
I don't
hopefully
know.
gonna make them bigger.
There we go.
Yeah. So this is the picture.
That's what the back was supposed to be.
Yeah, that is the back of my aircraft carrier ship. I hope you like it. And
That's what it was supposed to look like.
What?
And that's what the back was supposed to look like.
Yeah.
And then here was what the whole ship was supposed to look like with like the actual jets.
And stuff.
So, oops. Yep.
Oh, shut up. You shut up, you internet. You're such a noob. I do think a lot of people will give us a lot of likes.
Yes, I will do that. And hopefully then it will work.
Sorry about this.
Here.
Fucking
Recommended settings, finish. I have no idea what it's doing.
Yeah.
What the heck is it doing? Go around.
It's probably just waiting for self-destruct.
Okay. Loaded
back.
the player.
The back of the jet, the front of the jet, the other side of the jet, and the front. Back of the jet, the front of the jet,
Go around.
the other side of the jet, and the front.
Right. Start over.
The back. The back of the jet, the front of the jet, the other side of the jet, and the front. And I have not finished that ship, and the aircraft carrier is going to go against that ship. And I have not finished that ship, and the aircraft carrier is going to go against that ship.